Let's learn how to divide the number 270 by 2 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 2. We know that 2 times 1 is 2. Subtract, we get a 0. Now 0 is less than 2. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 7 here. Now look that this is the number 7. So we will remove this 0. And we know that 2 times 3 is 6. And 6 is closer to 7. Subtract, we get 1. Again this one is less than 2. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 0 here. And we know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the remainder 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 270 divided by 2 is equal to 135. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.